Sawadee Cup, Loz around Pattaya City. First day of my holiday, and as you can see, we're having fun already. But I managed to get to Chonburi today and back. Watch the buffalo racing without getting wet. But now I'm back in Pattaya. As you can see, we've had a little bit of a downpour, which makes it all fun. And obviously you can see the road, the state of the traffic, but they carry on going here. No matter rain, hail, sleet or snow, they will keep on going. They'll drive through it until the car stops, which sometimes happens quite a bit. But so this is the first day. I do hope things get better. Oh god, oh dear. So just covered my ankles in water. Oh dear, should have walked on the other side of the road. Oh dear me. Oh well, this is what happens when it rains in Thailand. But as you can see, they carry on regardless. I just hope it's a one-off. And obviously we ride motorbikes on pavements here. Otherwise, the motorbike gives up. I think that one has given up. Oh well, funny in a little, so after this little bit here, the road gets a little bit better. Maybe the man will ride his bike when he gets to the other side. But I don't think he'll go too much further and then end up in another jam when his bike packs up. Well, that's just a little snippet of the first day of my holiday. Oh, when we was out at Chonburi, I mean, it was lovely and it was very, very hot. The sun was shining and I had to go and buy a baseball cap because I forgot one from my room. But the weather can change in Thailand very, very quickly. So, this is what happens, and just coming up now to what was my favourite hotel, but unfortunately I don't think the gate's open today. Oh, they're actually working, but if you can just see through there, that was the Sabai Resort Hotel. Now it's completely flattened, and as you can see there, all the muck is running out of there and running out into the road. That's what's causing the problem. Oh dear. So that's just a last look at what it looks like. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Speak to you soon.